This is Valley News Live at 10.
The Minnesota National Guard has released the names of the 3 soldiers who were killed in a helicopter crash near St. Cloud. 28-year-old James Rogers Jr., 28-year-old Court Plantenberg, and 30-year-old Charles Nord. All 3 soldiers were based in St. Cloud. They were conducting a maintenance test flight at the time of the crash. Valley News Team's Callie Hubbard talked with a coach and teacher of Perham native Charles Nord.
Charles Nord, or Charlie as they called him, is from Perham. I spoke with many shop owners and shoppers today that heard about the news. Some of them were crossing their fingers, hoping it wasn't Charlie in the plane. A legacy. That's how Charlie's former cross-country coach and math teacher would describe him.
He's just that kid that people were drawn to. He didn't have to say a lot, and he had charisma, and he was just drawn to that. And he was really one of the first kids in my program that made me realize that cross country can be more than a sport. It can be a family.
Charlie graduated from Perham High School in 2007. He made history during his time there. He was a part of the first ever cross country state championship.
He loved the outdoors, and I think that his teammates would say he's one of those guys that made you look at life and not take it so seriously. To work hard, do your very best, but also be willing to keep things in perspective, and I think he had a great perspective on things.
Charlie was a part of a loving family. Morris said he had a wife, a 2-year-old daughter, and a baby on the way. His wife, Kaylee, works at Perham Health as a medical lab technician. Workers describe Kaylee as an amazing employee. They say their hearts go out to the family. Perham and surrounding cities have their flags at half-staff, remembering the legacy of Charlie and the other 2 soldiers that made the ultimate sacrifice. In Perham, Minnesota, Callie Hubbard, Valley News Live.
Governor Tim Walz posted to Facebook saying he offers his deepest sympathies to the families of all soldiers. Flags will be flown at half-staff across the state of Minnesota until 2:05 p.m. Monday to remember the victims. The cause of this tragedy is under investigation.